Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dabu's Pack Openings. I'm gonna open up these 3 quick packs real quick. And see what I get real fast. There it is. The only reason I bought these is for that Trey legendary bird card. And we start off with the trainer, coffee, something, bird, and a Magnezone. Holographic. Yes, sir. It's a new one to the set, so I'll take it. Alright. First pack, first holo. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. Pack number 2. Garbage. Oh, one to the front with an Arbok. Ooh, focus. You got a coffee. Fletchling. The little doodle. Doodle with the Moltres. Let's go. Give me the luck. Give me the luck. And a trainer card. Alright, last one, boys. Last one. Oh, horrible tear. One to the front. Yeah, let's start it off with the stadium. Screw that stadium. We got some young teeny popper. Magnemite, Flatchain, and yeah, chances, 3 packs, holo, and a full art GX. That is nice. Well, boom. We'll take it. I will definitely take it. That is a sick freaking card. Oh, it's a secret rare. Ooh, number 55, 54, secret rare. Even better than I expected. Very clean, very clean. Well, that was awesome luck. Well, until next time. That was the luckiest luckiest 3 packs I've had. I can't speak. Don't mess with me.